As a promoter, he was making you money. That's why you support him.
No, I still love him. He's a good person at heart. I've had nice interactions with the man. He's a good person.
As a person.
I've shared hotel rooms with the man. He's a nice guy.
Really?
Yeah.
Did he give you bitches?
He didn't have to.
You didn't have to?
I can fend for myself.
Nonsense.
I can't.
I
can't fend for myself.
When? Work husband.
So I saw that he had two... This guy's a problem. And Mafitsozo, now let me tell you.
But what did I say? Why are you telling Mafitsozo?
Ngakutshela.
Oh, okay.
Because I feel like you're one person that don't understand me.
Okay.
Why?
I do understand you. Tell me.
The day will come. So
he's got a work wife as well. He works with his wife.
Yeah.
That's one.
So he had, they added 2 more charges.
Now it's 22 or 21.
He's got 21 charges now.
21.
It was 19 initially, right? And then they added 2 more, which makes it 21
Wasn't
now.
the last
like the candles on your girl's birthday cake.
They added one for his daughter. For remember the driving? Yeah, that was one of the charges that was added. And I was like, damn, that is crazy.
That's the charge that I said needs to be added. Down go!
I was like, that one is a bit too harsh.
No,
man.
it's not.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Are you aborting babies?
I was like, that.
Are you aborting babies? Why abort when?
In my language, I'd say that's
why abort when? Do you abort? You've never aborted. Are you sure?
100%.
100% sure. Okay.
100%.
Well, do you understand? That's like abortion after 9 years.
No, man.
It is.
It's not the same thing.
If you drive recklessly, you drink and drive, you crash into a stationary truck. Stationary. Like even on your GPS, the GPS that was directing you to where you were going to go from an ANC to an EFF gig or the other way around, whatever the case may be, that GPS tells you, hey, stationary vehicle, there's a hazard ahead. And you crash directly into it. How do you crash directly into something that's stationary? And then your daughter dies. That's irresponsible as a father.
Yeah, if it was me, and if it be me, I don't think I would mind to go do time for it. We're not saying it's good that he did it. And anyway, for me, out of all the charges he has, I'd rather make sure that one counts more than any other charges.
Okay, do you think that Shebe Shit would have been, if he was free, would have been booked at Afro Nation? Exactly.
But that's an Amapiano event, man. Come on.
It's not Amapiano. It's an Afro Beats event. That's why it's called Afro Nation.
Yeah, but is he an Afro Beats artist?
Bro, the biggest place you can make it, bro, from Licompo is Johannesburg, bro. Midrand to be exact.
All right. The state recently added culpable homicide and reckless and negligent driving charges.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then moving on, comrades.
Moving on, just like that. That's a very big deal. Talk about it.
No, I said my part. I don't think
it's still a brother from another mother.
I mean, bro, for me that was a mistake.
What type of mistake is that,
bro?
Dog? If you're drinking and driving, how do you call it a mistake,
I mean, the hurt, the trauma you went through, bro.
Okay, tell your sponsors there that when you think it's a mistake if you drink and drive and get into an accident and someone dies. Tell them.
On the night.
Audi.
On the night.
Listen to him.
It hasn't been confirmed that on the night when the daughter passed away that he was drinking.
What was he driving?
No.
What was he driving? What was he driving?
He was driving was he not driving a VW?
VW Audi? Listen to your man.
Hey man,
I'm just
what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Now you see.
No, I don't see nothing.
So
what do you mean?
Tell the people.
No, listen.
How wrong he was.
No father wants to kill their daughter. Nobody wants to do that.
Unless
you would do anything for your kids.
Unless
I feel if you had any, you probably would.
Unless.
Do you understand?
Unless what? Unless what? I do a lot for you. Unless what?
You do what for me?
Exactly.
Don't make me open my mouth.
Open it. Don't make me go there. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Bro, this nigga just say open it.
Open it.
I'm to say,